Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. Before we dig deeper into our topic today, which is about making money on Facebook, I'd like to give you a brief update on the number of Facebook users worldwide and in the Philippines. According to statistics, there are more than 2.7 billion active Facebook users worldwide and more than 73 million Facebook users in the Philippines. It is no surprise, therefore, that many people and businesses try to make money on Facebook with such a vast potential audience. It makes really good sense. After I joined YouTube, I was thinking of another way to make money aside from posting videos on this platform. Then this came up on the line. So I logged into my Facebook account and checked how am I going to do this. I've noticed that most of the time when I browse on my Facebook timeline, majority of my friends are posting for sale products. Aside from selling on Facebook, we can also make money on Facebook pages. And the first step is to create our Facebook page. Log into your Facebook account and look for pages. I am using the desktop view for now because it's easier than using the mobile app. Click on Create New Page. Enter a unique name for your page or business. Select a category. Make sure that the category you choose describes the content of your page. I suggest that you choose your niche, something you love doing and you know you'll never be burned out doing. Then write something about it here. After you've done that, click on Create Page and start setting up. If your page has all the information needed, like your cover photo, profile photo, and if you wanted to put other information, such as phone number and service hours, your page is ready. You can now invite your friends to like and follow your page. Now that our Facebook page is ready, we can make money from in-stream ads. These ads are short ads that you will incorporate in your videos once you're approved for monetization. Here are the requirements you have to meet to be monetized. Your page should be at least 30 days old. Your page needs at least 10,000 followers. You should meet at least 30,000 one-minute views from your 3-minute videos in the last 60 days. Obviously, I haven't met any of those because I just created this Facebook page recently and I haven't posted a 3-minute video yet. You might be thinking of not to even bother doing it because of those huge numbers, but nothing is achieved without starting. This may not provide an instant money, but instead of you posting a video of your products on your profile, why not post those videos on your page and use it like how you post on your Facebook profile? Take note that your Facebook profile is different from your Facebook page. Your Facebook page is where you can monetize your posts. Whether you choose to be a seller or an influencer, you can make a 3-minute video of your products or content and post it on your page. And pin it to the top so every time you got visitors, they gotta view that video first. Ask your customers and friends to share your content and eventually you'll increase your numbers. The main requirement here is hard work and dedication. So keep posting creative content that will be influential to your audience or something that will give your audience a break from stress. I know you can do this. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye.